Hey class, so today we're going to take off from where we were the other day when you guys left for Top or when Top came in the classroom. So if you look at your activity sheet, you should be on number 7. Now we've already done number 7, but we're going to do a quick review. So for number 7, it says we will draw a line from side to side on 42 degrees south. For 42 degrees south, you start at your equator. Now the equator is right here. Goes all the way across. Excuse Mr. D's terrible penmanship, but you guys get the idea. Now, we've already said that above the equator is north. I'm going to draw an N because that's about as good as I can do. Below the equator is south. Now it says draw a line from side to side on 42 degrees south. So, if we're going to go south, we know we are going to go down. So, we'll start at 0. We always start at 0. 0, 20, 40. Now there's 60. So, we know in the middle between 40 and 60 is 50. So, we know 42 is closer to 40. So, we're going to go right around in this area. Now, once again, excuse my terrible penmanship on this. I am still new to this. That is not supposed to go up. That is an error on Mr. D's part. Sorry. Now, since we finished latitude, flip over to the other side. Now, longitude. We're going to draw a line on 0 degrees longitude. Now, we remember longitude by long hair. So it means long hair going down. So our longitude line is going to go down. So where is 0 degrees? Well, there's 180, 140, 100, 60, 20, something, 20. So I'll take it you figured it out. So it's going to go right here. It's in red. So that is your prime meridian. Now, it doesn't say it on your activity sheet, but I want you to go ahead and draw a PM, because if you look right here by the red dot, it says equator, but it doesn't actually say prime meridian right here. Now, number 9 says label west and east on appropriate sides. So by your latitude sheet, we know that north is right here, south is right here, and there's an old saying that we never eat soggy waffles. Now, once again, I'm just going to do the letter E for east. I want you guys to write out at east because I think it'll be better, but me and this pen are still learning to get along. Now, number 10, locate 60 degrees west. Now, like finding latitude lines, with finding longitude lines, you are always going to start at 0. Not 0 degrees on the equator, though. 0 degrees longitude. Right here. This is where you will always start. Now, this is also the key. When you were looking at the equator, you would look, does it say north or south, to know if you're going up or down. Now, with the prime meridian and longitude, you're going to look, does it say west or east, or W or E. If it says west, you'll go left. If it says east, you'll go right. Now, number 10, locate 60 degrees west. So we start at 0. It says west, so we're going to go left. Very good. 20, 40, 60. 60 is right here. So once again, I'll draw you a line. Yes, it's green. It's not exactly on the line like it should be, but like our latitude last example, Mr. D is still getting used to this. Okay, very good. I'll give you guys a few seconds to catch up on that. Okay, number 11, 100 degrees east. So we start at 0. It says east, so we're going to go right. 20, 40, 60, 100, 80 is right there. If you look down at the bottom, 80 is right here and it goes all the way up. If there's a missing number right here, it's down here at the bottom. So, but we've got to do 100. So we've got 100 right here. And it goes all the way down because if it's 100 degrees up here longitude, it's 100 degrees east longitude down here. So I'll give you some more time to write that one down. Bless me. Okay, so we're going to change our color for the next one. Now I know you guys can't change colors, but this does help you better with the visual. And I apologize about not being able to give you more colored pencils, but it works out this way and you'll be okay. Number 12, locate 120 degrees east. So, like always, we start with our 0 at our prime meridian. Now it says east, so we know we are going to go right. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. It's right here. So we're going to draw our line all the way up best we can. Oh, that's terrible. That's a little bit better. Give you some time to get that one written down. Okay. Now the last one, number 13, says locate 45 degrees west. So once again, we'll start down here at the 0 or up here at the 0, whichever one you like. So you got 0, 20, 40. Now right here is 60. So 50 would be about right here. So we're going to move this way for 45 or this way for 45. We're going to be right in this area. The line should not do that. My finger slipped. Okay, so you've completed all of the longitude side. Now, if you need to have these steps of this video watched again, that is not a problem. You may ask the substitute if they care. That is okay because it is review, but there is another video we've got to get through before you can move on to your next activity.